Hello guys, this is a step-by-step video on how to replace or reball any PMIC, power IC of any smartphone. Okay, this is Techno Camon CA7. As you can see on the video, the phone has power issue, so I've removed the PMIC as you can see on the video. So this is the PCB. As you can see, I've removed it. That's the PMIC on my palm, as you can see. So what I'm about to do now, I'm going to reball it. This is my universal stain steel, as you can see. So I'm going to reball it. Make sure you watch this video to the end, guys. If you are a newbie, watch this video to the end. And if you want to learn mobile phone repair or any type of electronics repair, please kindly contact the number showing on your screen. Okay, so as you can see, make sure you watch the video to the end and take your time while doing it. Okay, so that's my universal stain seal. So that's my BGA paste, as you can see. So watch the video, guys. Watch the video, share, comment, share and comment. Okay, keep watching guys. So time while doing it, take your time while doing it. Okay, watch the video to the end, guys. Make sure you share. For more of my videos, you can click on the YouTube link and watch all my videos on YouTube. Okay, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, because that's the only way you can support me right now. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well and share this video so that others will see it. Share the video. So this is the reballing process. As you can see, I've applied my BGA paste, so it's time for me to heat with my hot air gun. Okay, as you can see, I'm setting it. Okay, so I'm heating. Make sure you heat gently. Okay, make sure you heat gently. Don't be in the haste while doing it. Okay, don't be in the haste while doing it. Okay, share the video guys. Share the video and comment where you are watching from. Keep watching guys. I'm hitting it gently, as you can see on the video. Take your time. Okay, we repair all type of phones, both iPhone, Infinix, Techno, itel, any type of phone at all. We also repair all type of electronics. Okay, can be chargeable fan, power bank and the rest. Rechargeable lights, bring it. Okay, contact the number showing on your screen. Okay, so I'll finish reballing it and I'm cleaning the PMIC, as you can see on the video. So it's time for me to install it, to fix it on the PCB. Okay, so make sure you heat gently. Add enough paste. Okay, add enough paste. Okay, add enough paste. Okay, make sure you heat it gently, as you can see. Heat it gently. Okay, make sure you align it well. Okay, make sure it align well with the PCB. Okay, don't be in a rush. As you can see, I'm using my picker to adjust it. Make sure it match well, as you can see on the video. Take your time. Okay, don't be in a rush. You know the video is long, but it's worth it. Okay, make sure you watch it to the end if you are a phone technician. Okay, watch this video to the end. Everybody watch it to the end and share so that others will see it. Okay, I'll finish heating it. Okay, as you can see. So let me clean it with my chemical. Clean it well with my chemical. Okay, you clean it well with my chemical, as you can see on the video. You see, it's well aligned on the board. Okay, it's well aligned, as you can see in the video. So I want to use my multimeter to test now, to check whether if any of the capacitors are shorting or not. So I'm testing, as you can see. Take note, when reading with the multimeter, if you are reading a capacitor, one side should be connected to ground and the other side should not be connected to ground. Okay, so the side that is connected to ground will show a beep sound, make a beep sound, sorry, and show a red light on your multimeter, while the other side will read normally. Okay, so as you can see, I'm still testing. As you can see, I'm testing, I'm making sure everything is working perfectly. For full video, click on the link and watch on YouTube for the full video. As you can see, thank you for watching. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. So it's time for me to couple. Okay, but the full video is on YouTube. Okay, go to YouTube and watch the full video.